it going? What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to hop on the trend of doing the fox eye. This is my own little twist. It is very dramatic. Very dramatic. It's a little bit more dramatic than I wanted to, and I have something in my eye. I don't see what the big difference is between a fox eye and a cat eye. I think they almost look exactly the same thing. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's funny how all these animal trends are coming out. Like first was the cat eye, then it was the fox eye. What next? A bird eye? That actually is a good idea. Should I start it? This is supposed to like lift your eyes. I have hooded eyes, so it does lift it, that's for sure. Even if you have hooded eyes, you can definitely do this look. Like I did it with tape. Super easy. Yeah. Anyways, I'm out. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to join my night pack. Okay, bye. Okay guys, now let's prep our eyes for this foxy look. I just use concealer. You can use an eyeshadow primer. It doesn't matter, whatever you got works. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and set that with powder. After doing this, I don't think it's really necessary, but I wanted to use an eyeshadow that is kind of similar to my skin tone, which was kind of just a waste because it was exactly like the same as the powder. Next, I'm going in with this medium brown. It's called Frappe from Makeup Geek, and I am just focusing that on my outer V and slightly into my crease. I am not going too far. This is kind of just like a little bit of a transition to make everything blend nicely. Then I just went in with another blending brush and just buff that out to make it look seamless. Now we're going in with tape. When you are using tape, you want to kind of angle it like it's a cat eye, but then slightly tilt it up. This is kind of like an easy trick because then you don't have to use makeup wipes to sharpen out that eye, and you save product, guys. Now I'm going in with the black eyeliner pen. This one is from e.l.f. You can use gel liner. I just find with the pens that it does blend out a whole lot nicer when you are smoking out that lash line, which we will be doing a little bit later. But just go thin at first along your lash line and then create your wing. It doesn't matter if you want to do a thick wing or a thin wing. It's whatever your preference is, and that's where that tape also has guidelines because this can be also really messy, guys. Don't worry about it being completely perfect. That again is what the tape is for, to help sharpen the eye look up. Now we're just going to go in with a pencil brush and grab a little bit of black eyeshadow and start smoking it out. Go very lightly in the inner corner because if you go too much, it's going to be too dark in that inner corner. It's supposed to be thinner on your inner wing than your outer wing, if that makes sense. Just try to smoke out the outer line. Don't worry about being precise here. It's a messy look, guys. Fox eyes are supposed to be like a gradient effect. It's not supposed to be perfect. Just smoke it out. Now I'm going in with these two eyeshadows. You do not need both. I wanted to use them both. One is a purple shade. It's called Last Dance, and the other one is called Bitten. These are both from Makeup Geek. Very pigmented. And I just used a flat brush and I just smoked it out on top of what we did. Again, giving that little bit of a gradient effect. I don't know. You can also do this backwards too. You can do the red and the black smoke out first and then do the eyeliner. Either way, it works great. But there is lots of blending, so take your time. Next, I'm going in with another blending brush. It's kind of like a crease brush, and I grabbed a little bit more of Bitten because I kind of wanted that more of that red gradient effect more than the purple, and I just went over top of that, raising it a little bit higher than what it was before to, as you can see, smoke it out some more. Make sure you're also going over that tape area, not just your eyelid, or else it's going to look very awkward, if you get what I'm trying to say. Then just take away that tape and look how crispy those lines are. Boom, baby! But I still had to get a makeup wipe because I had some fallout, so I guess you didn't save any product, Nat. If you had fallout like me and the tape wasn't completely sticky to your skin, this is a good time to go sharpen up those lines as well. Curling lashes, getting them ready for lashes, duh. And I just did this off camera, guys. I hate putting lashes online. Wow, on camera. It's just, I can't, it's just not for me. Next, we're going in with Horfessional primer and priming the face to cover those pores. And I have something on my eyebrow, what the hell. And I grabbed a kabuki brush and used the Infallible 24-hour wear in the color 420. It is a tad bit lighter than me right now because I have gotten some sun, but whatever, we'll work with it. Next, I'm going in with still the foundation. I don't use concealer, it's just my preference, but you can if you want. I use a beauty blender to buff it out, and be careful around those sharp edges, guys. You don't want to be messing that up. Setting the face with Laura Mercier powder and just buffing that in with the Beauty Blender, and then I dust it off after I let it bake for about, I don't know, say 3 minutes, and just brush it away. Pretty simple. Bronzer. Same thing as always, the Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced, and I'm using this Ita brush. You can use any brush you want. I just like how this gives a little bit of definition, because with the Fox Eye, it's a little bit more defined, I feel, of a contour. It's not so much bronzing and buffing. But, you know, I like to use a regular brush around my forehead because I don't like using the Ita brush. I don't know what it is. I feel like it just gives me too harsh of lines. Next, going in with blush, this is the Warm Soul by MAC. And now we're going to finish off those eyes, guys. I am using the gel eyeliner from Maybelline, using a little itsy liner brush to apply that to the waterline. And next I'm going again with a flat definer brush and putting black really tight to that lower lash line where we applied the eyeliner. Going in with a pencil brush and grabbed Only Bitten, buffed it out and blew it out crazy. I am so sorry, guys. I was out of frame this whole entire time I was doing my inner corner, but I got a little bit of it. I was also shaking like crazy, so it did not turn out that good. I had too much coffee in the morning. You kind of just wanted to give a little bit of a point in the inner corner. It's almost like you want to give your inner corner a winged liner. Does that make sense, guys? Highlighting the brow bone with the same highlighter I used for my face. As well, I did my eyebrows offline, off camera. Oh my god. Combining those lashes to my false lashes with just some mascara. Any mascara you have will work. This is the Total Temptations by Maybelline. Holy cow, Nat, stop mumbling. Remember that Wet n Wild highlighter I told you guys in one of my videos? Here it is. This is called Precious Petals. It is so beautiful and it's only $4.99. $4.99. Can't go wrong. Going in with this lipstick, which Coco K, yeah, Coco K, and went over that with Eclair NYX lip gloss. That's it, guys. That is my Foxy Eye trend, my take on it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!